All right, my heater worked great, guy. Here's the problem. See, before when the lights on, let me see. Okay, before when this one light on, and then it stop. So I just change this one right here. Very easy. Just only 1 to 2 screws. Change the one the bottom right here. You can change this one only $39 online. Okay, just only 2 screw right here. Let me see. Okay, you got one or 2 screw. Take it out right there. And then right now working good, guys. Because when it's on, and then it not continue, the fan not going on, so it not the heater stop right there. And right now you can change this one. This is old, very old heater, okay. And to change this one, cost you about $39 only right here. If you guys have the model like this, it's good. This one look like model from Carry, from Bryant. Apply and something right here. See, to change it, it works very good right now because that's a sensor. The sensor right here is not working. This is almost 30 year, 20 year, and to change this one for 30 right here. You have the spark light right here, only 1 or 2. It's working. That's all. That's all you need. Okay, that's all you need, guys. To change this. And this costs you about $30 on eBay. Cost you $30, guys. That's it. To change it. Not complicated. Right there. Alright. You guys go out, check it out. The model is I think here's the model number. They have the model number right here. You guys see that? It doesn't work perfectly, that's all. Work perfect. I think the model 1007 something right here. Okay, it's easy. Right at the model number. Alright? Replace for Carry heater, guy. If you guys have the heater, old heater like this, just put this one on, change it. That's all. Work very good.